Alright, let's start with what is the definition of a food chain. So what is a food chain? Right, so many of you may not know this, but what is a food chain? Okay, let me write it down first. So yes, a food chain actually shows the food relationships between organisms. So if you recall your primary 3 science, you will know that organisms are actually, yes, living things. So first of all, a food chain, everything must be living, okay? They are all living things. So this shows the food relationship. Now, the second thing is a food chain is always made up, the most basic one is made up of a producer and a consumer. And in primary science syllabus, we know that usually the producers are our mighty plants. So in this case, the plants are actually eaten by a plant eater. So let's go through some examples of plant eater. Yes, rabbits, that's one. We have the cows, right? That's another. And when we write the food chain, it is very important to take note of the direction of the arrows. The direction shows this is eaten by. Alright, so always remember is eaten by. So we always say A is eaten by B, right? So the B is usually the consumer, or in some cases, the predators, okay? Plant eaters, children, they are not predators, right? Plant eaters are not predators because they eat plants, right? So remember this, Okay, here A is eaten by B, right? But there's another better way, a cuter way to remember, and that is using our Pac-Man. So if you use our Pac-Man, alright, to draw, okay, you just remember that the arrow points into the mouth of the Pac-Man, right? So the Pac-Man mouth represents the mouth of the consumer, the mouth of the predators. Ta-da! So this is an easy way to remember, and I hope that this mini lesson has helped you achieve a better understanding about food chain.